Hello, my dear student. A.S.S. Science Foundation is once again here, and today's story is very, very special. Imagine a story of a girl who started her M.SC in environmental sciences, and she was not aware about too many things during the M.SC program. She joined our online program and she started preparing for NET-JRF in the second semester. After the second semester exam, she started preparing within the M.SC, and our team guided her very well. And by the end of her M.SC, she was able to qualify NET-JRF in environmental sciences with a very good score. Along with that, she developed a deep interest in environmental sciences, and she also qualified GATE environmental science and engineering. So having both the exams, she was trying for the interviews at IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, all other CSIR labs, I.I.S.S, IITs, right? During that series, she got selected in Department of Interdisciplinary Sciences in the PhD program, which is a very prestigious program in IIT Delhi. She also did a project with the guidance of the team of A.S.S Science Foundation at IIT Delhi. And the name is GUNJAN BAISOYA. So GUNJAN BAISOYA has done her master's from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University from School of Environmental Management. And she have been working hard with the team of A.S.S Science Foundation. In the same manner, she achieved her dream institute, IIT Delhi. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Gunjan and wish her good luck for her PhD journey. This story is also special in terms of that what a appropriate and exact guidance can do at right time. So she, within the M.SC, she qualified both the exam. And one more interesting thing, she was not having mathematics in her graduations or +2. But in spite of that, with the kind of guidance she got, she also managed to qualify GATE Environmental Science and Engineering, which is a very prestigious exam nowadays in environmental sciences. So at present, A.S.S Science Foundation is offering a very comprehensive 60-day program for the February 2023 exam. And all other programs are also available, such as live program at Delhi Center, the online live program, offline program, correspondence with video program, test series, interview guidance, etc. The programs are also available for GATE Ecology Evolution, GATE Environmental Science and Engineering. Along with that, we are also providing the M.SC Life Sciences entrances for undergraduates in all the domain, including TIFR and JAM. Plus the guidance for outside India admissions, such as PhD program and master's program in US and Europe is also available. Exclusive interview guidance for the jobs and entrance guidance for the programs which have just come, CPCB and MOEF is also available. So those who are interested, they can reach us. Once again, we would like to congratulate Gunjan BAISOYA on such a remarkable feat and wish her good luck for the PhD program at IIT Delhi. Thank you.